Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can fix the high RAM or memory usage in a Brave browser really quickly and without any advanced technical skills or knowledge whatsoever. So drop a like and let us dive into this. So launch the Brave browser on your PC or a laptop, and just for the sake of this tutorial, let me head over to YouTube and show you, for example, how much the given site opened in that tab, how much memory or RAM it is currently using. So to check that, simply hover your mouse over the open tab, just like that, and after a moment you will see that information here below, memory usage, which is currently almost 400 MB, which is actually quite a lot. So let me show you a simple fix how you can limit that usage. So what you want to do is head back to your home screen here on a Brave browser and click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access your browser settings here at the bottom where it says settings. And inside your browser settings, guys, head over to system here at the bottom of that panel to the left. And basically what you want to do, guys, there are three features or options I would recommend to turn off or to turn on. So the first one would be to disable graphics or hardware acceleration when available. You may do that by switching it off here to the right. Make sure that you relaunch your Brave browser after that so that these changes may be saved and applied properly. Also, guys, that's optional, but you may also disable that feature above. Continue running background apps when Brave is closed. And last but not least, the most important option is that one here below, or feature, the so-called memory saver. You'll find it under the performance section here. So what you want to do is enable it, because using the so-called memory saver will allow the Brave browser to free up memory from inactive tabs. And doing this may improve your browser's overall performance, increase the download speed, and also use less memory or RAM. Remember also, guys, that your inactive tabs will automatically become active again according to the description here whenever you go back to them. But it doesn't make any sense to have, I don't know, multiple of these tabs inactive, and because these are eating up your memory or RAM. So you may consider turning on the memory saver feature here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.